Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download stock prices from Yahoo Finance to Excel. Now, first we need to understand whether you can actually download the Excel sheet or not. So you can definitely view the historical prices, dividend and split data for most of the quotes in Yahoo Finance to forecast the future of a company or gain the market insights. If you have a golden subscription, only then you will be able to download the historical data in the CSV file, and this way you will be able to work on it offline. So if we go to the pricing plan, you will see that the gold subscription is going to cost you $39.95. So here you need to pay for the gold subscription in order to download it in the Excel file. Now if you have the gold subscription, here is how you can basically do it. So first of all, you need to come on finance.yahoo.com, and here you need to use the search bar in the top, and you need to search for the symbol or the name of the company. So you need to type the ticker of that particular company. Like for Apple, we are going to type AAPL. After that, you need to simply click on it, and here in the left hand section you will see all of the details. So click on the historical data here, and if you have the subscription available, you will see the download option in the top right hand corner of the screen. So you can just use these filters in order to filter this data out. And again, if you have the gold option, you can click on the download option and save this data in the CSV form. So if this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.